Hello children, welcome back to Social Studies class. The lesson Bahmani Kingdom, lesson number 2, we already studied in the previous class. This is the part 2, today we are going to continue. In the previous class we studied how the Bahmani Kingdom began and which year and who were the rulers came to Deccan part, means southern part, and which are the places they occupied. Yes, today we are going to study part 2. So, Madrasa University and other contributions of Bahmani Kingdom and the rulers, important rulers, and 5 Shahis. Okay, we'll continue the lesson. As I already told in Madrasa, the center of learning or university, okay, which was in the Bidar. Here not only encouraged Islamic religious and legal education, this was the main thing apart from this. So, what are the subjects they studied here means the subject they studied were astronomy, mathematics and history. And free education also, like, and hostel facilities also they provided. There were around 3000 manuscripts in the library. So ultimately what happened, like all good things come to an end. Muhammad Gawan's time also came to an end. Muhammad also died. The Muhammad Gawan contributed a lot in making the Bahmani Kingdom great. Regional leaders were jealous of his fame and conspired to have him murdered. Some people not liked his publicity. So he was killed by his enemies. And somebody misused his seal. From this seal was purporting to invite the king of Orissa to invade the kingdom. This letter was placed in the Sultan's hand. Muhammad Gawan was thus falsely accused and was put to death by the Sultan's order. Okay. The contribution what we are going to study about Bahmani Kingdom means education, in the field of education and sculpture, everything we are going to study. In the education, if you see, means we already studied how much they given importance for the education, isn't it? Like Madrasa University and poets, he encouraged so many things we studied. And in the literature, literary activities were greatly encouraged by Bahmani sultanates, and they sheltered many philosophers, poets and writers. Okay. Firoz Shah, Muhammad Shah II and Muhammad Gawan were writers and ministers, poets during their region Persian, Arabic and Urdu. Urdu literatures were developed. Great Sufi saint and also the writer Bande Nawaz Dargah, it was also belonged to their Persians. The language that they and other foreigners they used to become famous as Dakhani. Dakhani language was their famous language. Okay. Later it developed as a Urdu language. sculpture, if you see, means the history of Bahmani dynasty is famous for sculpture and architecture. Monuments in Bidar, Kalaburgi and other places are in a Hindu Islamic style. It is familiar as a Dakkani style. The first contribution of Bahmani is Jamia Masjid of Kalaburgi, and Muhammad Shah built it. Okay. Who built Jamia Masjid? Muhammad Shah. The meeting hall with small domes is the major attraction here. And Bidar's Solakamba Mosque and beautiful palaces in the fort are famous. These buildings are decorated and have carved wooden crafts on them. 12 domes of Astur near Bidar are also famous here. Okay. The prominent monuments of the Bahmani kingdom is Madarasa, I already told, which was built by Muhammad Gawan. It is 242 feet wide. Underline that. It is 242 feet wide and 222 feet long and 56 feet height, and 3 storied buildings here. The buildings, which is more than 5 centuries old, appears to be declaring its glory. Okay. And that is okay. Here next is 5 Shahis. Muhammad kingdom was broken into 5 Shahis. Okay. After that, and who were the 5 Shahis means first one is Adil Shahis of Bijapur, Barid Shahis of Bidar, Qutub Shahis of Gulbarga, Qutub Shahis of Golconda, and Nizam Shahis of Ahmednagar, Imad Shahis of Berar. Okay. Adil Shahs, Barid Shah, Qutub Shah, Nizam Shah and Imad Shah. These were the 5 Shahis when they came means after Bahmani kingdom was broken. Okay. So they took these places. So today we studied. So that's all today's class. You should remember all the points and start the classwork. Okay. Write neatly and prepare for a FA1. Okay children, have a great day.